What is up, you guys? It's your girl Passion, and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my quick weave. So first and foremost, this is my braid pattern, and I am going to start wrapping my hair up. And what I'm going to do is make it as flat as I possibly can, and I'm going to sew those braids down. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with the protective shield. Now this is used to protect your hair from the glue of the quick weave so you won't damage your hair. So I'm going to make sure I fully coat my hair everywhere. Edges, around your nape, sides, everywhere, you guys. Now you want to make sure your hair is fully dried before you start applying the track. So I'm just speeding up the process with the blow dryer. Now I have two wig caps on. They are very thin, so you don't have to worry about anything. I am going to go in with some Got2b spray so I can get the cap to stick on my forehead and it doesn't slide back once I start to cut it off. Now I also did sew around the perimeter of my head to keep the cap secure as well. So around the back I did not use any of the Got2b spray. The reason why the cap is staying down is because I sewed the cap down as well. This is the hair that I will be using. I did purchase this from the beauty supply store. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to be taking the tracks and measuring. So first I am not going to go directly from ear to ear, side to side. I'm going to try to keep this track mainly focused on the middle of my head, and I'm also not going to go to the very end of my cap. Okay guys, so these next steps is pretty much self-explanatory. So I'm just going to be measuring the tracks where I want to lay them, cutting them, gluing them, and laying them down on my head. So you guys will see me moving the track, and that's what I meant by I didn't want to go all the way to the edge of the back of my head. So I moved it up a little bit. I just didn't want that really bulky look, so that's why I did that, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna start layering the tracks a little different. Instead of going all the way to the other side, I'm gonna go midway, like the middle of my head, and I'm trying to close up this side that has more space. As you can see, I am going for a side part, but the side is almost finished, so I'm gonna start laying my tracks a little more straight on this side. Okay, so I closed up this side as much as I wanted to, and now I'm going to go full circle to the other side so I can start to begin to do my part. Alright guys, so that little pink mark that I made with a lip liner, now I'm going to start cutting that out. Now if you paid attention to my braid pattern, I braided my hair a certain way so I can already have a part there. So I'm just carefully going through, making sure I'm not cutting my hair and cutting the cap off. And remember, I told you I did have 2 wig caps on. Okay, so now I'm going to start doing the invisible part method, and this way you lay your tracks going forward, as you can see, and you want to make sure that you're close to the part as possible. You're going to stack the tracks on top of each other, so that way you'll cover the tracks up once you reach the end of your hair. Guys, you have to make sure that you are measuring correctly because you don't want the tracks to be inside the part, like directly on your part. You don't want it to be showing it, but if you stack them on top of each other straight across, as you can see, you can't see the first track that I put down. You just see the hair there. So that's what you do all the way to the end. Okay, so I already started on the other side, and this is what it's looking like so far. Okay guys, so now I have a small circle, as small as I can get it, and now I'm going to work on doing a closure. So I'm going to show you guys how I do a handmade closure. So you're going to start by applying your glue, and once I get a good amount of glue on there, I'm not going to go all the way to the end of the track yet because I'm going to start rolling this into a circle. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my flat iron, and I'm just going to dry it as much as possible so it can stay closed, and then I am going to flip the hair inside out. and I am going to smash it down in between the flat irons. Okay guys, so this is how the closure looks, and now I am ready to glue this sucker on. So I am all done, guys. So now this is what my closure and my invisible part is looking like. I am about to cut and style, and I am done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of my next upload. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you love this look because I am in love with it. And happy birthday to me, you guys.